Sengiqalisa ukuphathwa bubuthongo ngoba uGeneral besekethetha ngomcimbi ubaba nomitshini crime intelligence engenza into bakushute down i-social media. Hayi bese nziva bafuthi ungiphathisa ubuthongo. Wakhuphuka nami. Wathi uyayibona enimvisa ubuhlungu into eyenzeke eSouth Africa into babone ugovernment ebulala iSouth African Defence Force because that is i-last line yethu ye-defense. Xa ku-weak i-defense force zingaphandle impundu kithi. Like uthethe into ndeva kubaleka ubuthongo bosebusondela kuvele kwabaleka ubuthongo same time. Wathi zingabhetere zona ezezinyo fasicinge zibhetere zona i-SAPS ezonani nani but trust you me i-last line of i-defense yethu i-South African defense. As a result sisizibuza into yoba iyenziwa deliberate le nto yoba ibulawe because sisijongile i-South African Defence Force iyabulawa. Ndikhumbula the time kuba kune war yase-Iran ne-Israel kumane kuthetheka into efana ne-World War 3. You know, really it was that thina besidoomed. Sife imfazi ungekaqali. Besiphelile nje imfazi ungekaqali nokuqala. Xa kuzathiwa asinanto nje zokulwa. uGeneral yena siyemva nje manje sithi akekho ready. Siyemva nje sithi akekho ready. uGeneral yena siyemva nje sithi akayoso politics, akanothando lepolitiki. But uba ngabe ngumuntu ommamele from day one uza naye kahle, uzamba lo muntu unabili ulithanga uthe sa. In as much as ezeya efila into yoba yena akekho akanalwazi ncam akekho that much equipped unzulu lo muntu. And even if akana interest bendingakhalelanga into ba ayithethe and ayithethe phambi kwabo into ba besimdinga even if besimdingela into babe nexhala basolo benexhala loba hey lo muntu angasibhukuqa bendingakhalelanga bayitsho kubo into bakanamdla wepolitiki. Hayi
Not have mobilized each other easy, and when they were calling, we were going to be able to listen to them. We had gadgets that were kept in the storeroom because one of the 5 ministers were supposed to sign and give us a permission to use it, did not want to sign. As a result, we couldn't listen to the phones. And yet we had equipment that we had bought and was sitting at crime intelligence offices not being used. So those are some of the challenges we're experiencing then. So what I'm trying to explain there is that security class as a whole has been weakened over time. And the one that has been weakened the most of them all is military. And it pains me because if everything failed from the South African Police Service, those are the big brothers we must go to. If we can't go to them because we are better off than them, then there's a problem in the country. Because that means the country is not safe. So I'm not a soldier. I'm not motivating for money to go to the military that much, but I can tell you, for my own safety, for the safety of this country, if we're not taking the security serious, military being the first point of departure, then intelligence and the police, we're not going to have a country at all.